Prague, a city that stands as a testament to time, where every corner holds a piece of history and every street tells a story. A city that whispers tales of emperors and alchemists, where the past and present coexist in a delicate dance. Here, the echoes of ancient legends blend seamlessly with the vibrant pulse of modern life. A city adorned with over 500 spires, each piercing the sky like a silent sentinel of time. These spires are not just architectural marvels, they are storytellers, each with its own unique narrative, waiting to be discovered. Imagine strolling along cobblestone streets, the aroma of freshly baked Trdelník filling the air. The sweet scent mingles with the rich history that permeates every stone and building, creating an atmosphere that is both enchanting and inviting. This is Prague, a city that captivates the soul and ignites the imagination. As the sun sets, the city transforms into a magical realm, where the glow of street lamps casts a warm golden hue over the ancient architecture. Join me as we delve into the heart of this enchanting city, uncovering its hidden gems and iconic landmarks. From the bustling squares to the quiet hidden alleys, every part of Prague has a story to tell. We'll wander through history, indulge in local flavors, and discover the magic that awaits around every corner. Taste the traditional Czech cuisine, each dish a reflection of the country's rich cultural tapestry. From the majestic Prague Castle, standing tall and proud, to the charming cafes tucked away in secret courtyards, where you can sip coffee and watch the world go by. Prague offers a myriad of experiences. Prague promises an unforgettable adventure. Whether you're exploring its grand cathedrals, taking in the breathtaking views from its many vantage points, or simply wandering its historic streets, there's always something new to discover. Get ready to lose yourself in the beauty of Prague, where every spire holds a story and every cobblestone whispers secrets of the past. The city's charm lies in its ability to transport you to another time, while still being very much alive and vibrant. Let's embark on a journey of discovery together. As we explore Prague, we'll uncover the layers of history, culture, and beauty that make this city truly unique. So pack your bags and get ready to be enchanted by the city of secrets and spires. Prague is a city best explored on foot, allowing its charm to unfold organically with each step. As you wander through its narrow, winding streets, you'll encounter hidden courtyards, quaint cafes, and stunning views that you might miss if you were traveling by car or bus. The city's rich history and vibrant culture are best appreciated at a leisurely pace, giving you time to soak in the atmosphere and discover the many layers of this fascinating destination. To navigate this historical maze, a good map is your best friend. While modern technology offers digital maps and GPS, there's something uniquely satisfying about unfolding a physical map and plotting your course. It allows you to see the bigger picture and plan your route more effectively, ensuring you don't miss any of the city's must-see sites. I recommend picking up a pocket-sized map with highlighted walking routes and points of interest. These maps are designed with tourists in mind, making it easy to find your way around and discover the best that Prague has to offer. Look for maps that include detailed information about historical landmarks, popular attractions, and hidden gems that are off the beaten path. Public transportation is efficient and affordable, with trams and metros connecting you to different parts of the city. The tram system, in particular, is a great way to see the city from a different perspective, offering scenic routes that pass by some of Prague's most iconic landmarks. The metro is fast and reliable, making it easy to get from one end of the city to the other in no time. Consider purchasing a travel pass for unlimited rides during your stay. These passes are available for different durations, from a single day to a full week, and offer great value for money. With a travel pass, you can hop on and off trams, buses, and metros as often as you like, giving you the freedom to explore the city at your own pace without worrying about the cost of individual tickets. Don't hesitate to ask locals for directions. Their friendly guidance often leads to unexpected discoveries. Prague residents are known for their hospitality and are usually more than happy to help visitors find their way. Engaging with locals can also provide you with insider tips on the best places to eat, shop, and explore, adding an extra layer of authenticity to your travel experience. For a deeper dive into Prague's history and culture, consider joining a guided walking tour. These tours are led by knowledgeable guides who can provide fascinating insights into the city's past, its architectural marvels, and the stories behind its most famous landmarks. Whether you're interested in medieval history, art, or folklore, there's a tour that will cater to your interests. These tours offer insights into the city's past, architectural marvels, and local legends. You'll learn about the historical events that shaped Prague, the famous figures who lived here, and the myths and legends that add to the city's mystique. Walking tours also give you the opportunity to ask questions and engage with your guide, making for a more interactive and enriching experience. Whether you prefer a free walking tour or a themed exploration, there's an option for every interest. Free walking tours are a great way to get an overview of the city without spending a lot of money, while themed tours offer a more in-depth look at specific aspects of Prague's history and culture. From ghost tours to food tours, there's something for everyone, ensuring that your visit to Prague is both enjoyable and memorable. No trip to Prague is complete without a leisurely stroll across the iconic Charles Bridge. This medieval masterpiece, adorned with 30 baroque statues, connects the old town to lesser town. As you cross the bridge, take your time to admire the intricate details of each statue, each with its own story to tell. From Charles Bridge, it's a short but scenic walk uphill to Prague Castle, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This sprawling complex, once the seat of Bohemian kings, is a sight to behold. Explore the majestic St. Vitus Cathedral, marvel at the grandeur of the old royal palace, and enjoy panoramic views of the city from the castle gardens. While Prague's iconic landmarks are a must-see, the city's true magic lies in its hidden gems. Venture beyond the beaten path and discover secret gardens, charming cafes, and local haunts untouched by time. One such hidden treasure is the Vrtba garden, a baroque masterpiece tucked away in Lessertown. This terraced garden, adorned with sculptures and fountains, offers a peaceful escape from the bustling city. Another hidden gem is the charming Kampa Island, a tranquil oasis nestled beneath Charles Bridge. Explore its narrow streets, discover quirky art installations, and enjoy a picnic by the river. Section 5. A morning at Café Louvre, a taste of history and coffee. For a taste of Prague's intellectual past, head to Café Louvre, a historic coffeehouse frequented by the likes of Albert Einstein and Franz Kafka. Step back in time as you enter this grand café with its high ceilings, ornate chandeliers, and plush velvet seating. Order a cup of traditional Czech coffee, savor a slice of their famous apple strudel, and soak up the café's vibrant atmosphere. The walls whisper tales of intellectual debates, artistic inspirations, and revolutionary ideas. Café Louvre is not just a café, it's a living testament to Prague's rich cultural heritage. Section 6. The Whispering Benches of Vrtba Garden, a secret garden escape. High above the city, hidden behind unassuming walls, lies a secret. Vrtba Garden, a baroque masterpiece, awaits discovery. As you ascend its terraced levels, the city noises fade, replaced by the gentle trickle of fountains and birdsong. Here, amidst manicured hedges and vibrant blooms, you'll find the Whispering Benches. These curved benches, strategically placed around the garden, create an acoustic phenomenon. Whisper a secret to the bench and your words will travel along the curve, reaching your companion on the other side. It's a delightful quirk that adds to the garden's magical ambiance. Section 7. Indulging in Czech Delights, a culinary journey. Czech cuisine is a hearty and flavorful affair, often featuring meaty dishes, dumplings, and rich sauces. Don't leave Prague without trying traditional favorites like svikova na smetane, which is beef sirloin and creamy sauce, and vepro nedlo zelo, which is roasted pork with dumplings and sauerkraut. For a quick and tasty bite, try a Trdelník, a chimney cake rolled in cinnamon sugar and often filled with ice cream or Nutella. Wash it all down with a refreshing Pilsner Urquell, a world-renowned Czech beer best enjoyed in a local pub. Section 8. Beyond the city walls. Day trips from Prague. While Prague offers endless opportunities for exploration, consider venturing beyond the city walls to discover the surrounding region's beauty. A short train ride away lies the charming town of Kutná Hora, home to the eerie Sedlec ossuary, a chapel decorated with thousands of human bones. Another worthwhile day trip is to Český Krumlov, a UNESCO World Heritage Site renowned for its fairy tale castle and well-preserved medieval architecture. For a taste of nature, head to Bohemian Switzerland National Park, a breathtaking landscape of sandstone cliffs, gorges, and forests. Section 9. The Magic of Prague by Night, an enchanting transformation. As dusk settles over Prague, the city undergoes a magical transformation. The Charles Bridge, bathed in a warm glow, becomes even more enchanting. The spires and towers, illuminated against the night sky, create a fairy tale-like ambiance. For a unique perspective, take a nighttime river cruise on the Vltava River. Admire the city's illuminated landmarks from a different angle, and enjoy live music and dinner on board, or simply wander through the Old Town Square, where street performers and musicians create a lively atmosphere. Section 10. Practical tips for your Prague adventure. To make the most of your Prague adventure, here are a few practical tips that will help you navigate the city like a local and ensure you have a memorable experience. Currency. The local currency is the Czech koruna, also known as CZK. It's important to familiarize yourself with the currency to avoid any confusion during transactions. While some places do accept euros, it's best to exchange your money at banks or reputable exchange offices to get the best rates and avoid potential scams. Be cautious of street vendors offering currency exchange services. Language. The official language is Czech. Although it might seem challenging at first, learning a few basic phrases can go a long way in making your trip more enjoyable. While English is widely spoken in tourist areas, learning a few basic Czech phrases such as Dobrý den for good day and Děkuji for thank you will enhance your interactions with locals and show your appreciation for their culture. Tipping is customary in Prague and is a sign of appreciation for good service. A 10 to 15% tip is standard for good service in restaurants and cafes. If the service charge is already included in the bill, you can round up the total amount as a gesture of thanks. Safety. Prague is generally a safe city, but it's always wise to be aware of your surroundings and take precautions against petty theft. Keep an eye on your belongings, especially in crowded areas like public transport and tourist hotspots. Using a money belt or a secure bag can help keep your valuables safe. Enjoyment. Lastly, take the time to relax and soak in the beauty of Prague. Whether it's enjoying a meal at an outdoor cafe, strolling through the historic streets, or relaxing in one of the city's many parks, make sure to savor every moment of your adventure. With these practical tips in mind, you're well on your way to having an unforgettable experience in Prague. Enjoy the rich history, stunning architecture, and vibrant culture that this beautiful city has to offer. Section 11. A moment of reflection, the view from Petrin Hill. As my journey through Prague came to an end, I found myself drawn to Petrin Hill. Atop this hill, overlooking the city, stands a miniature Eiffel Tower offering breathtaking panoramic views. As I gazed out at the sprawling cityscape, the spires piercing the sky, I couldn't help but feel a sense of awe and wonder. Prague, with its rich history, stunning architecture, and hidden gems, had captured a piece of my heart. It's a city that stays with you long after you've left, its stories echoing in your memories. Section 12. Share your Prague story. Connect and inspire. Have you experienced the magic of Prague? Share your favorite memories, hidden gems, and travel tips in the comments below. Let's inspire each other to explore the world and create unforgettable travel experiences. Connect with me on social media for more travel inspiration, tips, and stories from around the globe. Let's continue our journey of discovery together. Section 13. Until next time, Prague. As I bid farewell to this enchanting city, I know that this is not goodbye, but rather a see you soon. Prague, with its timeless beauty and captivating spirit, will forever hold a special place in my heart. Until our paths cross again, may your travels be filled with adventure, discovery, and the joy of exploring new horizons.